Good morning, guys. It's the 30th, I believe. 6 a.m. Trying to get an early start to beat the heat today. 9.4 miles into the middle of Daleville. So should be a pretty easy day. It's all going to be downhill. I mean, there'll be some little minor ups, climbs, but for the most part, it's just downhill. So I did a little night hiking last night to get this far. The sunset at Tinker Cliffs was amazing, and yep. Not sure what that bridge is for. I guess that little camp area there. But yep. I'm gonna get this 9 miles knocked out. Get into town. Get a room. Shower, eat, and rest. May have time to check the post office today. Actually, I will have time for my shoes. Yeah, 7-Eleven's just getting his coffee, and he'll catch up here shortly. Sherpa's about 3 miles back, and Turtle's about 4.5 miles back. So they'll be out today, but I did almost 20 miles yesterday, which is really awesome. That's with full pack, so anyway, I'm gonna get going here. There's pretty much not any water until we get to town, but with the terrain this way and less energy exerted and less cooler temperature, I got a liter that'll last me until I get there. So I'm gonna get going down this trail, and I'll check back with you a little bit later. I don't believe there's anything notable today to see. Alright, check back with you. Lake out there, guys. About 4.5 miles out from Daleville. It's only 7:20. I'll talk to y'all later. The fall count is at 7, guys. It wasn't that bad. Just kind of slipped on a rock and fell over sideways onto another rock. So much for leaving early and being cooler and not sweating so bad. I'm almost out of water already. Like 3.5 miles to get water still. And I have this much left. So, yeah, I'm gonna go halfway to the water, drink the rest of what I have, and then hike into the water, drink up, and then I'll only be like 1.5 miles or 2 miles from getting into town. Cool little spot there. Not detouring too much and looking at things today. I'm just ready to be off trail. This last three days, the water shortages and the heat and humidity, I'm over it and done. Exhausted. It is 5 minutes to 8, and I've covered about 5 miles in 2 hours. So pretty good. I'll take it. All right, we'll check back with you in a little while. Alright, well, that was dumb. I'll really be glad when these downhill sections start going downhill. That'll be great. Down to town would be really nice. Alright guys, check back with you. Hey guys, you know, the ATC and their stupidity, you know, make you walk ridge lines where there's no water for 10 miles, 8, 10, 12 miles. And you got a giant lake slash river right there. So, yeah. I'm so over this. I'm so over the heat and the humidity and the lack of water available on trail and being completely soaking wet. Not one dry stitch on you. Everything you have is soaked through with sweat. And I'm going to that town right there, which is just shy of 3 miles, I guess. I don't know how far it is. 2.8 miles. And though I'll probably be there in, I don't know, an hour and a half, 2 hours at the most. It's 8:30 right now. I'm gonna sit right here. I'm gonna dry out. I've drank half of what I had left of water. I have 2 miles to get to water, 2.8 miles to get to town. So when I get to the water, I'll make the determination whether I just go the 0.8 into town and just load up on drinks there. But right now, I'm aggravated, I'm tired. I've thrown my freaking hiking poles down the trail. I did get them, but I've wrenched my knee, turned my ankle, fallen, and I'm just over this, just over it. The last 3 days have been actual fucking hell, and I'm over it. So I'm gonna sit here, try to calm down, cool down, and I'll check back with y'all later on. Hey, good morning everyone. It's Saturday, July 3rd. I'm here in Daleville, Virginia. I got in Wednesday morning around 10 o'clock. Took Thursday and Friday off and can get some recovery. Put in a lot of hard miles this last week. I have some important and exciting news to share and information about my hike and about my journey here. I'll be changing, switching things up a little bit here. I am leaving the AT and heading for a bit cooler and a little bit cooler weather and a little bit different location. I am heading north and west. We'll make determination from there, depending on how long I'm out doing these things, and I'm looking forward to it. It's so exciting, and I will be documenting everything, and it's a new thing for me, an exciting thing, and I'm looking very much forward to it, and I hope you are too. Fibblethip will be along, and he'll be getting lost out there with me, so it will be an amazing adventure, and I'm excited to share it, and we will keep you posted, and stay tuned. The videos of new and exciting things are coming. We'll see you soon. Guys, check this out. Beautiful little mural here. That's gonna come through. Oh, I'm gonna fall down and break my neck. That's pretty awesome. Little arts area here, sculptures and stuff. Really cool. Oh, no way. Look at this little place here. A little building, a little outside in, or a little inside out. Pretty sweet. Metal furnishings. They got snow on the roof there of that building. Pretend snow. Very cool. Uptown Coffee and Donuts. A lot of these places are closed for the holidays. July 4th was yesterday. Today's the 5th. But I'm exploring around, checking things out around this little neat little town. Yeah. Enjoying my afternoon here, or morning, I guess. It's 10:30 in the morning. I had about a 2.5-3 mile walk to get down to here. So definitely get my miles in today. But yeah, we'll check back with y'all as I find interesting things. So see y'all soon. Cool little caboose here. I'm guessing they had something going on here yesterday, the 4th of July. I'm sure there was a parade of some kind. Really cool. I'm not in Milwaukee, but Milwaukee's also a pretty cool place. See y'all soon.